We'd like to show you today an installation of a tankless water heater. This is called a Navien brand tankless water heater. What's unique about the Navien unit is it's actually a hybrid tankless water heater. There is a small tank and circulation pump inside, a 2-quart reservoir, and this unit is a 98% thermal efficient tankless water heater. So it does condense. We have drain water, which is going down to the drain. It's a 2-pipe system. We have the exhaust pipe right here that is going up and out with 3-inch PVC, and we have another 3-inch PVC pipe, which is the air intake. We take the cover off the tankless water heater. You can actually see what's involved inside. When the heater is operating, it's very quiet. You have an air fan, which is pulling the air in for combustion, blowing it through your burner assembly. And on this particular unit, the flame is actually going down. And we have 2 heat exchangers, and this is where the water heating is actually taking place. As it's getting down to here, this is the final heat exchange situation, and that's where the condensation will take place, and we're pulling our pipes coming down, out, and we're going through the reservoir and the circulation pump for the hot water exiting the unit as the customer is using it. The blower and the burner will adjust themselves depending upon how fast the water is running. Every 3 seconds, the computer will automatically make changes. That's the temperature control panel where the customer can adjust the temperature up or down. The green light indicates that the burner is on and the unit is running.
There is actually a 3-phase pre-mix burner, as you can see the flame showing through the window. It controls the flame by pre-mixing optimal ratio of gas and air before combustion, reducing emissions and enhancing the water heater efficiency. Navien stainless steel heat exchangers operate with relatively low water temperatures, minimize damage from hard water conditions, and maintain higher efficiency levels.